Live your life as an exclamation rather than an explanation. You have to make the rules, not follow them. No great discovery was ever made without a bold guess. What we know is a drop. What we don't know is an ocean. We build too many walls and not enough bridges. My powers are ordinary. Only my application brings me success. The center of the system of the world is immovable. What goes up must come down. Genius is patience. To every action, there is always opposed and equal reaction. If I have seen further than others, it is by standing upon the shoulders of giants. If I have done the public any service, it is due to my patient thought. If others would think as hard as I did, then they would get similar results. Truth is ever to be found in the simplicity, and not in the multiplicity and confusion of things. Plato is my friend, Aristotle is my friend, but my greatest friend is truth. Truth is the offspring of silence and meditation. The great ocean of truth lay all undiscovered before me. If I had stayed for other people to make my tools and things for me, I had never made anything. It is the weight, not numbers of experiments, that is to be regarded. The proper method for inquiring after the properties of things is to deduce them from experiments. I can calculate the motion of heavenly bodies, but not the madness of people. In the absence of any other proof, the thumb alone would convince me of God's existence. Tact is the art of making a point without making an enemy. Errors are not in the art, but in the artificers. As a blind man has no idea of colors, So have we no idea of the manner by which the all-wise God perceives and understands all things? Gravity explains the motions of the planets, but it cannot explain who sets the planets in motion. Nothing can be divided into more parts than it can possibly be constituted of, but matter cannot be constituted of infinite parts. I have explained the phenomena of the heavens and of our sea by the force of gravity, but I have not yet assigned a cause to gravity.